Hello everyone, today I will show you how to completely disassemble iPhone 8 Plus and replace back cover. To disassemble iPhone 8 Plus you need the following tools: screwdriver set, plastic mediator, section cup for removing display, tweezers, opening plastic tool and any hairdryer. In the description under the video I leave link to necessary tools and parts for replacement. To replace the case of the iPhone 8 Plus, you need to completely disassemble the smartphone. This is a difficult process, but it will be more difficult to assemble it. Most of screws are different size, so I recommend using a magnetic mat in the disassembly process. Before disassemble, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Take a screwdriver pintle-lobe 0.8 mm and unscrew the two screws near charging port. Take a hairdryer and heat display surface for 1 or 2 minutes. Next, fix the section cup near home button and pull up on the ring. Take a plastic mediator and try to separate the display from the iPhone. If you cannot separate using a mediator, you can take a plastic card. Open the display to the right side like a book. Unscrew 4 screws and remove the metal panel. Disconnect the battery cable from the iPhone motherboard. Unscrew 2 screws and remove the metal panel. Now you can disconnect 3 cables of display from the motherboard. Unscrew 3 screws and remove the metal panel. Now unplug the antenna, disconnect it from the mainboard and remove from the case. Disconnect the taptic engine and unscrew the 3 screws. Now you can remove the taptic engine. Take tweezers and catch on the edge of the silicone tape. Slowly pull the silicone tape away from the battery. Now you can remove and replace the battery. Unscrew 4 screws and remove 2 metal panels. Now you need to unscrew the screw with a special screwdriver, which has in our How-FixIT 1 screwdriver set. If you don't have such a screwdriver, you can try to unscrew the screw with a flat screwdriver. Disconnect two camera cables from the iPhone mainboard and remove the camera. Unscrew 3 screws and remove the bottom speaker. Next, disconnect all cables and unscrew all screws from the case and the motherboard. Now you can remove the motherboard from the case. All remaining items such as camera flash, button and cable with a charging port can be removed and installed on a new case. If you install a new case from the another iPhone 8 Plus, this element will already installed. If you are using Chinese copy of the case, everything will need to install, but everything depends on each case individually. Well, let's drink coffee and go to the reverse assembly of the iPhone 8 Plus. During the reassembly process, repeat each step in the order shown in this video. battery must be glued to the metal part of the case, but do not glue the battery to the wireless charging module. You can glue the battery with double-sided tape or with special silicone tapes, similar to the original tapes that you removed from the battery. In my case, I glued on the double-sided tape because right now I don't have silicone tape. Install the Taptic engine, fix with 3 screws and connect the cable. Install the antenna and connect to the mainboard. Install the metal panel and fasten 3 screws. The iPhone 8 Plus has been assembled, and now you can connect the display and check how everything works before final assembly. To check functionality of all smartphone functions, it is enough to connect 3 cables from the display module and then the battery cable. Turn over the display, turn on the iPhone and check how iPhone works before final assembly. Remove the old adhesive tape from the iPhone case. Take the medicine alcohol and wipe the case. Also wipe the display case. Now, begin to restore the water resistance of the iPhone 8 Plus. For this, take a waterproof adhesive tape. A link to this adhesive tape you can find in the description under the video. First, connect 3 cables of the display module to the iPhone 8 Plus motherboard and only then connect the battery cable. Install the metal panel and fasten all screws. Turn over the display and press it all the way around the perimeter of the iPhone display. Fasten the last 2 screws near the charging port and install the SIM card tray. Turn on iPhone 8 Plus and use the smartphone.